Good afternoon everybody, Clarkson Commercials here in Glasgow, just nearing the end of another busy day. This time round we've got a 2010 on the 60 plate, that's a late 2010, Renault Trafic. This is the LL29 DCI 115 and I'll explain that mouthful as I go around. Basically what we've got here is a long wheelbase Renault Trafic. Do not confuse that term with the likes of a Transit long wheelbase. They are absolutely night and day of a difference. The difference, or Renault's version of that difference, is this panel here. The Vivaro short wheelbase, the wheel arch will start here, and in the long wheelbase Trafic or Vivaro, it's the same van, the wheel arch will start here. So that is Renault's take on a short wheelbase. That is their take on a long wheelbase. So that is all we're talking about, and I like to explain that in fairly graphic detail just so people are clear in what we mean. So 2,900 means it's a 2.9 tonne gross. That means the maximum weight of the van plus its maximum payload can be no more than 2.9 tonnes, hence the 2,900. 49,000 miles, very clean, crisp and sharp in all respects. We do not sell bruised, battered, tired, knackered vans. That is not what we're about here at Clarkson's. This is our 35th year in business and still a family business, very proud of what we do, proud to remain a family business, and ultimately have got a very keen eye for detail in all the vans we sell. The big problem in the van world is not selling vans, because the right stuff will always sell. It is buying vans of this calibre. The task of buying and maintaining stock of this standard is incredibly difficult. Selling it, to be honest, is relatively easy, because we only sell good quality, credible vans that are sadly lacking in our industry. Got the roof rack up top, we've got the bazooka tube there, and we've got two ladder rails there, one either side, and we've got the tube there that's perfect for holding conduit or copper piping or whatever. Coming around to the side door of the van, we've got the bulkhead separating the back from the front, a nice bit of timber plywood to protect the bulkhead there, and very clean, sharp and crisp in all respects. Right, here we are, just coming into the cabin, double passenger seat as you would expect. Being a later model van, this one is fitted with a TomTom satellite navigation, and being the 115 horsepower, it also has the 6-speed gearbox. Now if I turn the ignition off, headlights off, that should come up with the TomTom display there. Give it a second, it will. Yeah, there we go, Renault TomTom. Satellite navigation, which is very handy, and it's becoming ever more popular in vans. CD radio, as you can clearly hear, and your ventilation controls, and even a very considerate hook for your Chinese, your Friday night Chinese takeaway to hang from there. Glove box, some open storage, some storage underneath there, storage up on top of the dashboard, and there is no doubt the Trafic and Vivaro vans, bearing in mind they're built in the same factory, are probably the most car-like van to drive. They're very comfortable, very quiet, smooth, etc. Got the Renault factory wheel trims there. They were missing when we bought it. That's a brand new set of Renault factory wheel trims. We could fit cheaper ones, to be honest, a lot cheaper, but we do like our originality, and I think a van of this quality deserves the proper wheel trims fitted to it. I'll give you one more quick fly around of the bodywork just before we finish off. So to recap, it's a 2010 on the 60 plate Renault Trafic long wheelbase. It's an LL29 DCI 115. We offer van insurance, van lettering, van finance. We do part exchange your old van to your new van away, UK-wide delivery on all our stock. Finance, we do offer funding in all our vans through Close Motor Finance, and if you're needing any guidance on that, go onto the finance page on their website. There is a video tutorial telling you all about how to finance your vans. All vans we sell have warranted mileage on them. and HPI checked, and indeed they are all HPI clear. We do not buy Category C or Category D write-off vans, we just do not go there at all. We operate at the very top end of the used van world, and we only sell what you would regard as cream of the crop where used vans are concerned. So there we go, my name is Barry, thank you for watching, I hope that one's of interest. As per company policy, I've just got to say the usual line that we do with all the vehicles, that all the vans that we sell are second hand. They've all had a first life before we get them, and they may have marks here and there commensurate with age, mileage and use. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time. If you like Facebook, look us up on Facebook and you've got all the company goings on there. We're open 7 days, weekends till noon. Once again, my name is Barry, thanks for your time and hope to speak to you soon.